Hi there. Just going to recap the trade that I took in the morning session. Just give me one sec. I'm going to share my screen. I think here. This. Yeah. So I'm going to quickly go over the trade that I took in the morning session. Just give me one sec. This is a daily time frame. According to daily time frame price, sorry, just swept this low. You clearly see the order block holding the price, and this order block holding the price, and the recent low has been swept and price keep on trading higher. And this is my higher time frame weekly and daily uh, draw. So today price just gap down, holding up this tiny fair value up and start to trade higher. So I was super bullish in the morning. This forward time frame, I don't have much to talk here, but this is our targets. This last week gap down, recovered, and this week gap down and come instantly recovered and start to trade higher, right? Yeah, this 1 hour. You clearly see that's dropped down, sweep some sort of lows, holding out this fair value gap, and we can and instantly it's in fill this gap, drop down. We got this inversion, we got this break extended directly towards what weekly high buy side liquidities. In M1, M3, M5, M15. So M15. So as you can clearly see, so after gap down, after holding this fair gap, they started to trade up, filled up this gap. And what happened here? Here, literally, it's dropped down, sweep some sort of lows, and we got this inversion. And this inversion, and this is where the market opened. As soon as the market opened, price just swept the London high and drop all the way down and holding this fair value gap. Good push towards upside. And let's keep on buying towards the weekly high, buy sell next buy sell liquidity. I going to quickly show my executions of today. This was my very first execution, and the idea is very simple. It's take the weekly high and drop down, and again we got the clean expansion. This is our next liquidity. Price drop down to that equilibrium level and with this breakup less fair value gap, and trade up higher. Fail to there is no structure for me to enter here, so I'm not entered here. So I don't get any entry model, and nothing here for me to go for an entry, right? So I'm just waiting. Price trade higher inside this fair value, it's holding drop down. Fail to take this high, drop down, sweep the high. Here is give the in the state of delivery and with nice displacement created this gaps. As soon as I identified this created a fair value gap, I entered my position. Not even wait for the fair value. As soon as I identified this fair value created, I entered my position here and put the stop at this low, expecting the price to take this high. And after what happened here is, as soon as price take out this high, close above, I move my entry to break even. Here I got break even. And what happened here is price trade up, take that high, take this buy side, kind of accumulated for a while. And if it's feet higher, we can expect lower prices. What happened is accumulated, manipulating lower. There is nothing here, right? Manipulating lower. As soon as it's reached this value gap, it started to trade up higher. This is initially my target, but unfortunately, I break on the trade. Even though I know it has the potential to rebalance this fair value gap. I should keep my stop here and expect the price to play out, but I'm not doing it because I'm trading the evaluation account, so it is try to pass the account. So I just put 10 contracts, and as soon as it break this, I break on it and hoping and praying to see the price to reach this spot so I can make some money. But that not happened. According to the model, I should not move my stop unless or until this value getting filled and break this high. After this, I can move my entry to break even. So next entry, as soon as it's Feb, I kind of entered here. It's not even my entry, but I entered. As soon as it's sweep the high, I entered with this inside this fair value. I think not here. I think here. I entering this fair value gaps, but it's not worked. and again I entered here. Um, so I kind of chasing the price, but this is a clean entry, clean stop. Before the entry gets stopped out or proved me I'm wrong or right or wrong, I closed my positions with break even and I enter the sell entry here. And as soon as it reaches this spot, I break on the trade. After that, I think I entered here. I guess so. I'm not sure, bro. I think I entered my position here, and I am also tried one more entry here. So both are entered up a losing trade. These two are break even. These two are losses. Then I record all the entries, like all my losses around this level, like this. As soon as I get this inversion, I enter my position here, put the stop at the high end, and I close majority of my contracts here. Just literally break even it. So it will be very clear in M3. You can see that. So the last fair value gap that holding the price failed to clear the already. It's what happened here. Trade up higher, sweep the high, right? Sweep, trade up higher, take this high. There is no structure. There is no change in stability. There is no nothing, right? The print high, print a low. We got a sweep, and it's rebalanced to this fair value gap. Failed to take this high. Instead, it's break this low. Nice change in the state. Nice fair value. Nice respect. So enter my position here. Put the stop at this high. It's beautifully respected. As soon as it's closed below, I close most of my positions to make my entry to break even, make myself to break even. And actually, what happened here? And I expected this high to sweep as an according to the model. What I'm expecting is change the state. This is a first liquidity light. As I'm expecting, this is the soup. But yeah, obviously, it was a soup, but it's stayed all the way up. Swept this high, swept this high. Then it gives that inversion. If you go to 1 minute, you can clearly see that. If I stayed up higher, sweep these internals, then it's give that inversion and start to trade all the way down to my initial target, like where I expected the price, this price. Not happened here, but happened here. That's it. Kind of not a solid day, bro. I'm not did anything so good. Kind of chasing the prices, not following, waiting for the clean entry to present, not monetizing it properly. I have to change a lot of things. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the today recap. We'll see in the tomorrow morning live.